All right, guys, got this 2005 Toyota Highlander, and this headlight bulb does not work. All right, so if you have a headlight blown, it's very simple. All the cars are similar, and even over here, this is the bulb right here. This gray connector right here, the brown and the gray. That's the gray is the bulb. So on this side, pretty much all you do is you put your hand from right down here, if you like, you grab this and you twist it counterclockwise. You don't even have to take out the connector at this point, because once you have it out, you can bring it up on this side here, and then you could use both of your hands. Let me see if I can put my camera right here in this spot, and I'll put my light up. And what I'll do is I'll take this, you squeeze this right here, and then you pull out the bulb. Sometimes it's been there for so long it won't even come out. Like this one is stuck. So alright, yes, definitely stuck. It's been there for so long. And let me see if I can get this out. Ooh. Yeah, it's been there for very, very long. We'll go grab a flathead and we'll try again. Alright, got my flathead screwdriver right here. So what I'm gonna try to do here is I'm gonna try to push it out with the flathead. Yeah, it's definitely been there for years. It's gonna have to come out now or later. There you go. Alright, so got the bulb out. All I did was I pushed the connector with the I couldn't hold the camera up so you guys couldn't see, so all I did was I yanked it. I just pushed it back with the flathead. That's the flathead I have. Alright, and the bulb is 9006. Alright, and let me go get another bulb and we'll continue. Alright guys, here's another bulb. So all you do is with the new bulb, try not to touch the flare. You take the bulb, you push it in, and it should click. You should feel it click. Alright, after that, let me grab my light. You take this right back into the same spot, same position, right in here. Alright, and now it's time for us to find the proper spot for it right there, and then you just twist it clockwise and it locks in. All right, and the bulb should be working. A lot of times it's the bulb, it's not the nozzle. All right, and you put the key in and we should have a working bulb now. Right, we have a bulb working there and bulb working there. There you go. Very simple job, guys. Save yourself a couple of bucks. All right, and all you need is a flathead. If it becomes really tight, very simple. And that's it, guys. Thank you, and subscribe, and bye-bye. If you have any other car, some cars are more difficult. Some have HIDs. You have to be careful with the HIDs. That's high voltage. You don't want to shock yourself. But some cars, like most of the Toyotas, Hondas, common ones, are very simple. All right, right from the top. BMW, it's a hassle. Mercedes is a little hassle. Audis is a hassle. But be careful with the HIDs. All right, even the HIDs similar, but bulb is expensive. All right, guys. Thank you, and bye-bye.